To create a new JVZoo account, just go to jvzoo.com and you'll land on a page similar to this. Once you get here, then you'll see a sign up link at the top, so we'll click that and that will take you to this page here. So this is where we're going to be registering for a free account. So just make a note, you'll need to verify your email address before accessing your new JVZoo account, so make sure you have access to that email. So when you enter an email address here, make sure it's a genuine email and that you've got access to that, because that's where they're going to be sending you some of your details. Okay, so in the display name, obviously you can use your first and last name, a brand name, a company name, or any other name that you feel that you'd like to use. Okay, then enter your email address, so obviously your personal email address or maybe your company email address, password, and confirm password. So obviously these are case sensitive, so make sure that you're using the exact same password there. Next, you'll need to declare that you are a citizen of the selected country, so just click on, you can see it's United States, click on that, and then you'll see this full drop down menu there. So just find the country you're in, choose that one, and then just check this box here to say that you've read and agreed to the JVZoo agreements, policies and disclaimers. So if you do want to read these, obviously just click on that link there and then just make sure that you've got that box checked and click register. So I'll do that now and I'll come back shortly. So once you've clicked submit, then you'll be taken to this page and you'll see here you've successfully registered. Check your email to activate your account. So we'll go over to my Gmail account. So you'll see here that I've got a new email from JVZoo, action required. So we'll click on this and you'll see this welcome email from JVZoo, finish your registration. So we'll click on this link here. And now you can see that we've been taken to this page where it says your account is successfully been activated, please log in below. So we'll use the same email address and password that we just created. Remember to check the box here, I'm not a robot, which is for your capture code, and then click log in. So I'll do that now. You might also find that when you go to log in, when you've checked the box there, you'll see this a new capture thing come up that they just want to verify, obviously, that you're not a robot. So in this case, select all the squares with street signs. So I'm going to click on these. Okay, and there's these squares here for that sign. So we'll click next. And another one with signs. So click those and those. Okay, and verify. Okay, so that says I'm not a robot, it's verified, that's good. Okay, and then next we'll click login. So now we're on this new page, we've logged in, and you'll occasionally get these pop-ups appearing as well, so you can choose to remind me later on. I'll just click on that for now. And you can see here in my account that you've got your payment profile. So you need to add a payment profile, obviously, if you're going to be getting paid through selling products or obviously promoting products as an affiliate. And you can see the JVZoo Get Response account. Now, you don't have to use Get Response, which is an autoresponder if you've not heard of it before. But there are benefits to using Get Response with your JVZoo account. So obviously you can sign up there to get a Get Response account there. And further down you can see mailing address. So this is obviously where you're going to be receiving your emails from JVZoo, and that's obviously checked at the moment. But if you do change your email or you need to update it, anything like that, then you can come and change that there. Underneath that, then obviously you've got a few more JVZoo recommendations, that these other apps and websites and services that can help you build your business. So just take a look through those. Obviously the two most important things is to add your payment profile and choose whether or not you want to go ahead with getting a Get Response account.